እሺ እንዴት ናችሁ? ሁሉ ሰላም? Everybody all right? We are in the data center. So this is the data center. We are going to troubleshoot the ID rack today. Jonas with me. He's going to support me and assist me with all over with maintenance. Today we're going to maintain the production 1 and 2 server. So as you see, we have already done the graceful shutdown. So I'm going to give the cam in the... Thank you, Ronnie. We're going to check. So as you see, the ID rack is completely down. Now the next step, what we're going to do is follow me at the back. We are going to unplug the power cable. Yeah, we are going to unplug the power cable. This is the server. So we're going to begin the production server 1. So I'm going to unplug the power cable, the power notch. After we unplug the power notch, what we're going to do is just to make the power is very too much drain and we don't cause any much electrostatic discharge. We're going to push the start power button in the front for 10 seconds, okay? So this is the protocol. We're going to make shutdown. I have already made the server shutdown. And then now we're going to make the power off, disconnect both AC, the cables. We're going to drain the power, hold the power button in the front of the server about 10 seconds. So that's what I'm going to do. This is the power cord, the power button. I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. We got to count, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just to be sure, 2 more seconds. 1, 2. Now the electrostatic discharge is over. We gotta go and unplug everything at the back. So follow me. So we are going to unplug everything from the DMA module. First thing, what you're gonna do, just if you have a VLAN, and if you are connected about 4 or above network cables, you have to mark those with the marker, okay, with a permanent marker, or you have to label them. If you come back and plug it again, just you don't mix the VLANs, okay, and make cause any trouble. So I'm gonna unplug each, because previously we have already made a labeling. It's okay for now, so I can unplug it. I can unplug the Ethernet cables. Clip the notch. This is how we labeled, as you see, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have these 4 backbone connections. One is for vMotion. Now I'm gonna unplug the ID rack, everything, the KVM connector, the USB. Now the last but not the least, the power cord, is because I have already unplugged at the bottom at the plug. Now I'm gonna detach it from the server. So it's already detached. I'm gonna unpin the notch from here. Now the server is independent from any connection, so we can pull it from the inside, from the front side. Yeah, okay, great. Let's go to the front side and let's pull it. So this is the server. Technically it has safety notch over here. We have already unscrewed those, so I'm gonna pull it. So this is the server. It is safe. Make sure the safety is very intact. So I have to discharge, you know. Somehow I have to floor myself and discharge. If I have electrostatic discharge on my hands, that would be great. But we have already drained the power. I hope we don't make any cause, okay? Just you can't touch any grounding. So let's take the top cover. Let's keep the top cover safe. Now, what I'm gonna do is just give me a second. Wait. I'm gonna check which RAM we are going to unplug. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, these are the RAMs we are going to unplug. I think A10 is very much critical. It's 16 GB. We have A1, A11. Previously I had B3 also in the queue, but B3 has already healed. These are very much critical warnings that I have seen. So when I go to this, as you seen, A10, there is several count of error message. A11 also. Let's skip B3 because it already healed. So our primary target is just to unplug A10 and A11 today. So in the previous video I have shown you how you can create your own RAM log. Give me my log. So let's unplug the shear out. So let me keep my things here. Let's clean it. Let's clean the shear out. It's somehow a little bit dusty because the shear out is collecting the wind inside to the RAM. So I gotta make sure that it's labeled. Well, which one are we going to unplug? 18, right? 18 is much critical. Okay, now I found 18. 18 is here. Let's unclip the notch and unplug it. Now 18 is removed. Can you show them deeply that the labeling over here? You see 18? Yeah. So 18 is very much the troublesome one. So what I'm gonna do is just let's label it, right? So next time it don't cause any redundancy and duplication. So I'm gonna make this production 1, server 1. It was 18 critical error over 251, right? Over 251. So we have already unplugged 18. Which one is the next? A11?
Yeah, Allah.
So we gotta find A11 also. Where is the A11? Okay, I think I see A11. A11 is this one. Oh, okay. A11 is somehow, it is on the warning. So we unplug it. Either we should replace it or we remove it. So this is production 1. A11, it is warning, right? Because we suspect this RAM will be the next suspect RAM. So we have already unplugged these two. Let's keep those in the case. Previously we have also other RAM cases that are similar cases. I think this will be replaced or sent to the factory. We're gonna keep those safe. Yeah. Now it's done. The next thing what we're gonna do is just we clean it. If you have a blower, let's blow it safely, and we return. Do we have any other? Bring it here. We have unplugged successfully 18 and the 11. Do we have another one? Probably B5. I saw B5 and A1. So I think rather than unplugging those, let's check for other time. If they cause any other trouble, we'll unplug it, right? Yeah. So let's cover the whole thing and put it back. Let's put back the shear out. Here the shear out is back. Let's cover the top notch here. Okay. Now let's pull the lever. It's okay. Let's clean it and let's pull it back. Okay. Here is the safety. Here is the safety notch. You can. Here it is. See, it is safety notch. So you push it back safely, and then you can secure it with tying the screw nut. Now what we gotta do is just we gotta check if the server works, if the server starts safely. So let's plug the power cord. Let's plug the VGA connector for the KVM so that we can see the server is loading safely.
At the back.
So here, what we need to do is just two things. We don't need to connect the entire cable. After the server boots, we can keep connecting the entire everything, okay? But just for now, maybe it might cause an error. You don't know. So rather than dismantling everything, you only plug the network, the VGA keyboard, the USB. How are you doing so far? Okay, it's plugged. Now let's plug the power cable. The power cable is back in. Remember, we have to plug in two spaces. One in the server, the other is on the bar, okay? Just in the adapter bar. Make sure it's locked, safe and secured, okay? Now we plug this one and this one back. And let's see what our server will glow. Probably this ID rack test indicator, light indicator will show blue. That is very much safe. Let's plug it. Okay, it's plugged. So one thing we need to do is just we have to press the start button from the front because we have gracefully shut it down, right? Okay, let's go there. The server won't start automatically because it's graceful shutdown. The graceful shutdown means human involvement is necessary to turn it on. You intentionally shut it down, right? So you click here. So the link state here supposed to need to be blue. Okay, the server is waking up. That's great. Now let's check. Let's check the boot sequence here. Oh, it's waking up, okay? That's great. Let's pause it and show you if it boots successfully. The PC has already booted. Still, there are some correctable errors. I think B7 is showing remove input power to the system and repeat the MIMI module to restart the system. So we need to unplug the server and reboot it again.